Created by Charisse is a Black-owned custom crafts and apparel company. So let them bring your vision to life. In this video, you're going to see some of the awesome custom products sent for AG Jigger Jam Sauce Company. Now, they are located in Baltimore, Maryland, and they ship anywhere in the U.S. The telephone number is 215-800-2382. But text only. The email is createdbycharisse@gmail.com. So please, everyone, support Black-owned business. Now, at the end of the video, there's going to be a QR code that you'll be able to scan to get all your crafts and apparel. So just pause the video, scan the QR code for more information. So until next time, everyone, thank you for watching. Ciao for now.